The Nike Shox Ride 2 Black Silver brings back early 2000s energy with a modern twist, combining responsive cushioning and a sleek, speed-driven design. Its jet black upper is built with layered panels and dense mesh that creates a cool, structured look, while subtle gray accents and a polished silver swoosh add depth without overpowering the silhouette. Green logo hits on the tongue, heel, and outsole give the shoe a sharp contrast that stands out just enough for streetwear fans. The signature Shox cushioning system, featuring continuous black cylinders, delivers that mechanical bounce the series was famous for, creating a flexible yet powerful ride. From the forward-sloping profile to the padded heel and graphic detailed insole, the shoe mixes comfort, style, and performance. Overall, the color scheme balances black, gray, silver, and green into a refined aesthetic that catches attention without being too flashy, making the Shox Ride 2 a must-check pair for fans of classic tech sneakers.